What's up, everybody? I'm back at the mill. I've been working on the homestead for seems like weeks now, and as you can see behind me, a lot of my tools are boxed up here. The shop build is so far behind. It just won't stop raining. Oh, it's killing me. But I figured I'd get back out to the museum and do a little bit of an unboxing and finish a project that I've been needing to finish for a long time. So let's get this box open and get to work. Any of you guys know what this is? You know this logo? That's Barzee. Really awesome, guys. You got a good set of instructions here for both your ovens. Now, once again, I'm the only one that has the duplex right now, so I'm the only one that has the two PIDs, and it's just really unique. Let me turn this off. I want to show you something real quick. So this Novus, the N480D, if you notice, it sits out a little bit as opposed to the way that the N1030 is. So your top oven, this is going to be for your lower temperatures. It tops out at 600 degrees, while the bottom oven goes all the way to 2000 degrees. So this is where you're going to be doing your quenching and your heat treating of parts. This is where you're going to do your tempering, right? So you'll temper in there. I read the instructions. I thought about pizza. It said no pizza. So, all right, here we go. Let me show you something. Oh, yes. If you notice right there, there's a mini USB jack. What's so cool about this unit is I can program this unit from here to do what I want, or I can plug it in to my computer. I can tell the bottom oven whatever steel that I'm working at, and it will literally pre-program my soak. It'll pre-program everything. Like today, we're doing W1 steel. Generally, that's a water quench, although we will be quenching this in oil because we've learned with knives and how thin you get it, you want to oil quench. There are preset programs you can get for this controller, and you just plug it in and you're good to go. Now, you don't necessarily need that for this one over here because this one's not really going to ramp up or ramp down. You're just going to set your temperature on this guy and, yeah, turn it on and it'll be good to go. One feature that I love that's added to this oven is the flashing alarm. You'll hear this go off in a little bit when the cycles are done, and it is fantastic. Once this thing gets the temperature and once the cycle is done and you're ready to pull your part out. Okay, guys, we got her in the bottom oven. She's probably up to temperature right now. I'm going to let her soak for a little while, maybe about 20 minutes. Once she's soaked, what I'm going to do is go ahead and pull her out, slide her up in the top oven and let her cool. The top oven's set at 400 degrees right now. It's operating at 400 degrees right now. And then I'll leave her in there until she cools down to the 600 degree mark. I don't want to cool her too quickly, right? You've seen us blacksmiths take something out of the forge when we were annealing it and then setting it into the coal next to the fire. You want to keep it, it needs to take a while for that cool down to happen. So it will start cooling down in the top oven, then I'll pull it out of the top oven. So I made it a nice little box, insulated box here, and we'll throw it in there after we're done with that step, and then she'll be ready-ish to harden. The temperature is going up from 400 to 462. That is really interesting. That's how much that 1450 degree knife is raising the temperature of this top box. So guys, the Barzee Summer Bash is coming up here. Oh gosh. June 22nd. There are only like 70 tickets left available. It's going to be incredible. You can come hang out with me, Stephen Cox, Adam Booth, all the Keiths, and it's going to be really, really awesome. Just go to Barzee, just Google the Barzee Summer Bash, get a hold of Stan Zinkowski, and meet us there, man. Rancho Cucamonga, California. And one of you is going to get an opportunity to win one of these Hotshot 360 duplexes, only the second one to exist. That's going to be cool. Temperature's looking great. We're going to throw the knife back in and start the heat treating process. All right, guys, we're ready to go. She's been soaking for quite a while. Handle is cool to the touch. We're going to pop her open, grab our blade. You can see that it is absolutely at temperature. As long as I've got it in the oven, I've got a minute or two to get a good grip on her. We're going to pull her out. All right, now it's back into the 400-degree top oven, and we're going to let her go through her normalizing or tempering cycle. So you're going to get sheets from Novus to program it, so you can do all your programming through there, but Stan has gone through and given you a step-by-step on how to program the machine. Today, we didn't do a program. I knew what time I wanted. I didn't have anything else to do, so I was just able to sit around. So I just went into the manual mode, and after running through a couple of these and setting a couple, I really liked it. It's very unique, very, very cool, and very easy to use. So, and then this is the one for the NT10, or the top oven of the duplex. Guys, I got to tell you, I'm really impressed with the Hotshot 360. If you want one of these for yourself, I'll put a link in the description. The bottom units are so much less expensive than, say, an Evenheat, and I'm telling you, these are handmade, quality stuff, all laser cut, built by a guy who knows what he's doing. So you can actually go over to Stan's channel and watch him build these, and then order one for yourself. I'm sure glad I did.